Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 31st of May, 2024. The market witnessed extreme volatility on May 31st ahead of GDP data announcement later today and Lok Sabha general election exit poll on June 1st. At close, the Sensex was up 75.71 points or 0.1% at 73,961.31, and the Nifty was up 42 points or 0.19% at 22,530.70. Top Nifty gainers included ADANI Enterprises, ADANI Ports, Shriram Finance, Coal India and Tata Steel, while losers included Divi's Labs, Nestle India, LTI Mindtree, Maruti Suzuki and TCS. Talking about the corporate segment, we have ADANI Group firms shares surged on May 31st amid heightened trading activity, bucking the trajectory of the benchmark indices. Shares of ADANI Enterprises soared by more than 6%, while ADANI Ports and SEZ saw a gain of 4%. ADANI Total Gas surged by 10%, while ADANI Power climbed to 13% and ADANI Energy Solutions was trading nearly 3% higher. ADANI Green Energy shares rose by 4.4%, while ADANI Wilmar, Ambuja Cements, and ACC recorded gains 3.6%, 2% and 2%, respectively. NDTV's shares rose 9%. WELSPUN Corp stock tumbled 8% in the afternoon session on May 31st after the firm's guidance for financial year 2025 was below the street's expectations. In the quarter ending March 2024, the WELSPUN Group's flagship firm saw a 20% rise in net profit at 287.3 rupees crore. Revenue from operations grew by 9.6% year-on-year to 4,461.2 rupees crore, although EBITDA margins decreased slightly to 7.4%. WELSPUN Corp anticipates revenue of 17,000 rupees crore for the current financial year, a 3.3% fall from the 17,582 rupees crore earned in financial year 2024. Similarly, EBITDA is projected to drop 6% to 1,700 rupees crore as against 1,804 rupees crore reported in the previous fiscal year. We are seeing a huge growth potential, both domestically and internationally in core segments like oil and gas, water, infrastructure, defense, power, and plastics. We are witnessing a structural change across all the above sectors, and this gives us the optimism of sustained growth over a foreseeable future of 5 to 7 years, said the firm in an exchange filing. Shares of PTC Industries, a manufacturer of high-quality, high-precision metal components and materials for various critical and supercritical applications, soared 11% in today's intraday trade, reaching a 3-month high of 8,665 Indian rupees per share. This surge followed the company's strong performance in the March-ending quarter and the full fiscal year financial year 2024. The company reported a total income of 765.0 million Indian rupees in quarter for financial year 2024, up 22% year-on-year from 626.9 million Indian rupees in quarter for financial year 2023. For financial year 2024, total income was 2,702.6 million Indian rupees, a 19.2% increase from 2,267.3 million Indian rupees in financial year 2023. EBITDA for quarter for financial year 2024 stood at 259.5 million Indian rupees, a 37% rise from 189.4 million Indian rupees in quarter for financial year 2023, with an EBITDA margin of 33.9%. For financial year 2024, EBITDA was 860.5 million Indian rupees, a 30.1% increase from 661.1 million Indian rupees in financial year 2023, with an EBITDA margin of 31.8%. Shares of MRS.BECTORS Food Specialities surged over 4% on May 31st after it reported strong results for the January-March quarter. So far this year, the stock of this bakery player has surged over 7%, outperforming 3% rise in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. Earlier, MRS.BECTORS Food shares had hit 52-week high of 1,373 rupees apiece on November 13, 2023. MRS.BECTORS revenue climbed by 17.4% year-on-year to 406 rupees crore in Q4 financial year 2024 from 346 rupees crore in the year-ago period. The company's profit after tax rose by 21.6% year-on-year to 33 rupees crore in the March quarter. Meanwhile, its earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization jumped by 21% on-year to 58 rupees crore in Q4 financial year 2024, while EBITDA margin expanded by 50 basis points to 14.4% from 13.9% in Q4 financial year 2023. Asain Precision Engineers Limited in daily time frame is trading around 83.70 points with a change of 16.25% and is trading with a net volume of around 572,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 65.26, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.18. Bharat Rasan Limited in daily time frame is trading around 10,703.70 points with a change of 16.28% and is trading with a net volume of around 99.92 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 9,658.22, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.78. Techno Electric and Engineering Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1,418.35 points with a change of 17.33% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.412 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1,183.46, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.25. For the stock recommendation we have, Canara Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 118 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 113 rupees and a target of 123 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.